Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster and today I have with me the Plum Glow Restore Face Oil Blend. Now this is a blend of multiple oils which are to give the face a gorgeous glow. While grape seed oil and sea buckhorn oil are the premier highlights of this oil blend, it contains a number of other added oils as well, which includes argan, rosehip, apricot, olive and so many more packed in right here. This face oil is suitable for normal, dry and very dry skin. So keep watching this video as I tell you my experience about using this face oil as well as show you a swatch of it. The Plum Glow Restore Face Oil Blend comes in this cardboard container. At the side of it is what is inside. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E and so much more. Now at the back of this are more details about the product. What is in it is detailed right here. All of the ingredients are included right here, and what is not included is also here, which is SLS, PABA and animal derived ingredients. This is a vegan product. It's 100% vegan and does not contain any parabens or phthalates. On the other side are what the offerings of this oil are. It treats extremely dry and damaged skin also very well, and the contents of this oil are 30 ml of oil, and I am going to show you that right here inside. At the bottom is more details about it. The price of this is approximately rupees 775. Now this is what the oil looks like right here. It is a matte finished glass container and it has a pipette dropper on top. You can see very clearly from the outside how much of oil is left inside, so that's really nice, and it contains 30 ml like I said before. Let me just give you a swatch of what it looks like. I'm taking some of the oil in the pipette as you can see in the dropper, and I am just going to add it on my skin. It comes out quite easily from the dropper, and this is what it looks like. There, I used only a couple of drops and spread it in, and as you can see it already absorbed quite quickly. After having seen swatches of this product as well as me listing all the features of it, here are my thoughts on it. You saw from the swatch itself how easily the oil was absorbed in the skin. Even 1 or 2 drops just went in so easily. I like that even though this is a face oil, it doesn't leave you with any kind of greasy residue on the skin. It applies so easily, and there is just a little bit of a shine but no greasiness. But it is only suitable for normal, dry and very dry skin. So someone with oily and combination skin should avoid using this oil. While it does smell very pleasant, it does have fragrance, and that can be a trigger for those who are sensitive to fragrance, and it is something to note in that aspect. I like the container of it. It is so sturdily packed in the cardboard container, and it is also a vegan face oil. It comes really well packed. You can see from the exterior how much oil comes in, and the pipette dropper helps it to dispense really nicely on the skin. I found it went really well on my skin, and it even instantly did add a bit of glow. Of course, for more lasting results it will need to be used for a longer period of time, but instantly when I did use it, I found that it added a nice bit of shine to my face without greasiness, and that is something anyone would want for a face oil. Now that is what we think of this oil today.